Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. So, today is box opening day of the kit of the week, and this week the kit is the MiG-29 Ghost of Kyiv in 1/72nd scale from ICM. I'll have a quick look at the history of the kit, I'll have a quick look at what competition there is for it out there, and of course what you get in the box for your money. Now, if you've already got one, you want to know how to put it together, there is a companion build video, and of course there's the combo video of the box opening and build and the bonus historical material, not only on the MiG-29 but on the story of the Ghost of Kyiv. Now, if you enjoyed this video, and I hope you do, please do remember to give it a thumbs up, a like on the little logo down there, and if you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe to the channel. You can do that by clicking the small logo down in the bottom right corner. If you'd like to support future production, you can do that either through Super Thanks, which lets me know which videos you particularly like, or you can go through Patreon and buy me a coffee. Links to both of those are in the information box below. Okay, enough of all of that. Let's get on and see all about the MiG-29 Ghost of Kyiv kit in 1/72nd from ICM. This kit from ICM is based on their 2008 model of the MiG-29, originally released as a Soviet fighter and as boxing in the colours of the Swift's aerobatics team. This kit is also the basis for the Modelist releases in 2011 and 2015. The ICM kit now comes with new decals and paint scheme. Weapons are the same as before. Interestingly, Scalemates also shows a new diorama boxing from ICM of a Russian MiG-29 with Soviet ground equipment vehicles as an imminent release. The only direct competition in 1/72nd for this kit is from Mr. Craft. Their kit started life as a release from Nakotne in 1992 before being sold by Zvezda from 1995. I'm not entirely sure why it was illegal to sell this outside the USSR then. Anyway, the kit came to Mr. Craft in 2016 and is now released with new decals for the Ghost of Kyiv. There are plenty of MiG-29 kits in 1/72nd around as well. Both Trumpeter and Zvezda sell the 913 version as flown by the Ghost of Kyiv, and there are companies that make paint masks for the digital camouflage system as well as national markings. ICM also markets a set of acrylic paints specifically for this kit. Looking at the box itself, the cover art is unforgettable. The colour print outer comes off the top, then there's a hinged lid to the box itself. Inside is an instruction sheet. Tucked away inside this are the two decal sheets. The parts are on 3 grey and 1 clear plastic sprue, all of this in a cellophane bag. The first sprue contains the upper and lower fuselage halves, as well as the exhaust turbine faces and nozzles for the engines. The next sprue contains the wing and tail assemblies, all of which are in one piece, plus the air inlets, cockpit and ejection seat. Then there is this sprue with the armament, fuel tanks and undercarriage. There are 2 each of 3 types of missiles: the big AA-10 Alamo radar homing missiles, the medium-sized AA-11 Archer and small AA-8 Aphid heat-seeking missiles. Finally, there's the transparent sprue with the windshield and canopy, the IRST scanner cover, and 2 parts which they don't reference in the instructions but which may be landing light covers. The instruction sheet itself is a single fold A4, printed in full colour, with paint references and numbered sprue layouts, which I like. The instructions seem clear enough. On the back is the decal positioning information. As for the plastic, it seems very well moulded. I love these open intake louvers, and there's decent detail and sharpness. There's this tiny bit of flash on this turbine disc here, but nothing major or annoying. I kind of expected there to be a lot more, as I'm sure they are banging out these kits as fast as they can right now. The panel lines look okay, and the gaps to the control surfaces are slightly more pronounced. We'll have to see how the extensive decals handle these later on. The instrument panel has a lot of surface relief that may be an issue with the decals as well, and the tub of the cockpit is okay. There's a bit of flash here, but the buttons are all very well raised, that will make them very easy to dry brush. There's some nice rivet details on the inside of the gear doors too. The seat itself is quite basic with simple straps. If you were doing an open cockpit, then an aftermarket interior would be a really good idea. The weapons are fairly well moulded, with this just one little bit of flash here. Otherwise it all looks pretty crisp. It's the pity that the one-piece wheels have the injector point halfway up the edge, but it's not a disaster. The decals themselves look sharp, although it can be a little difficult to tell with this really stripy support paper. All the edges certainly look sharp and well printed, and the colours are spot printed, so they're bold and in excellent register. So there we have it. What a great looking kit. I'm looking forward to making it. I know a lot of people will be, and I know a lot of people are looking forward even just to buying it because it supports the Ukrainian industry at the moment. If you've enjoyed the video, I hope you have, please do remember to give it a thumbs up, a like down there, and if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to the channel. You can do that over there in that little logo down in the bottom right corner. It doesn't cost you anything, helps me enormously. Do come back for the build video and the combo with extra bonus history. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.